Hey guys, today we're going to talk about one more and one less. So let's look at the hundreds chart here. Let's just say we're going to start at the number 2. So when we say one more, that means we're going to go to the next number. All right, so if we have 2 and we get one more, what number does that put us on? If we start here and we go one more. 3. Good. What about 14? What would happen if we go one more? 15. Good. Right now, let's look at one less. Let's start at 5. If we're going to have one less, we're going to go this way. So if we have 5 and we get 1, we take 1 away, we have 1 less. What number would we be on? The number 4. Good. All right, let's do it like this. All right, so look at all of these dots. I have 4 dots. If I got 1 more, what would that look like? Right, 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I had 1 less than 5, that would be 4. Very good.